Hey guys, it's me, Mason, and my sister Faith. Say hello.
Hello.
Today, our dad bought us a new iPad. We're gonna check it out, open it, unbox it, play on it, play some games. Okay, I'm sorry about the lighting in here. It's an old house. It's right here. See that? Okay. Got this. Okay, my sister Faith is gonna unbox it right now. Oh my gosh, this is hard. Okay. It's amazing. Okay. She's trying to get it out. I want it. Sorry guys. Look. Okay, my turn to hold it. Okay. Here it is, guys. It's right here. Can I play some games?